We're gonna replant those, Marley. Say pepper. Bell pepper. Yeah, those are the seeds. Say bell pepper from the garden of Treatz. Eating that thing.
It feels good on your gums? She has strawberries on her face.
You can say she like peppers.
It must be sweet.
It must be.
You gotta taste it. It must be sweet. She eating it like that.
Straight out the garden of Treatz.
So we harvested some beautiful strawberries from our garden for Marley to try out. And meanwhile, I am pruning some of those leaves off so that we can get more of these tasty strawberries.
All right.
So close.
Way sweeter. That's delicious.
It's good?
It is.
I want to try it. It smells good.
Those are our strawberries, Marley. You like strawberries. Say strawberry. Look at your hands. You busted one of them. Say strawberry.
You're just gonna mash it up. It's okay because it's going in the ground. Get all the seeds out. Give it back to me.
You gonna eat it?
You're in the wrong part.
Marley put the finishing touches on them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plant them.
Thank you for stopping by the Garden of Treats and visit lovealways.shop for more love.